Hello, welcome to an Inovati demonstration of our Kinetic Metallization High Dynamic Range system. Today, I'll be demonstrating the KM deposition process of repair material on an F-16 main landing gear wheel hub. We set up the spray using Inovati's human-machine interface. The first step is to log in through the login page using your individual login credentials. Next is the About page. It contains information about the system as well as the end user license agreement, which the user should read carefully before operating the system. The Setup page contains fields for describing the current spray task. All of these fields will be recorded in the spray log database along with all other spray parameters each time the system is run. The Substrate page describes the substrate material. The user can search the material by family or name and enter its description. They can also enter information about the thickness, preheat temperature, surface preparation, and masking. I will now prepare the tooling to load the F-16 landing gear wheel. The turntable is attached to a pedestal at the base of the system. Our quick exchange plate serves as an adapter between the turntable and the substrate-specific chuck and screws onto the turntable. A 3-jawed chuck will be used to secure the wheel to the system. Finally, we load the wheel and expand the jaws to secure it. The powder page allows the user to select which PFU to use for the spray. PFU stands for Powder Fluidizing Unit, and it houses the powder before it is transferred to the nozzle. It uses Inovati's patented brush sieve mechanism to provide continuous powder feed for a wide range of particle sizes. The user can click the green Raise/Lower button to open the PFU position page. This page manually controls the PFU platform. Before moving the platform, make sure to read all the safety information above and confirm that the requirements are met. Let's make sure that the door to the spray enclosure is locked. Now the user can safely lower the platform and insert the PFU cartridge. The powder info section allows the user to select the spray powder by powder number or QR code. The PFU settings section inputs powder feeding information such as the sieve size and PFU set point. The process settings page enters the spray process parameters. The user selects the process gas, gas temperature, gas pressure, the PFU flow set point, and the nozzle via serial number. Now we can attach the nozzle into the KM gun. After the nozzle is attached, update the nozzle throat size and compare the measured throat size to the nominal to ensure there are no gas leaks in the connections. The motion page controls the motion of the KM gun. In the motion select section, the user can select pre-configured types of motion programs or decide to run their own custom program. Commonly used motion programs include raster for rectangular coatings and multi-coupon for process parameter experimentation. In our case, we will select the F-16 main landing gear wheel motion program. We will then fill in the corresponding motion settings, which are the surface speed, step size, and coating layers. The status section displays the status of the system's critical components. All of the checkboxes should be green before proceeding. The user runs the spray through the Kinetic Metallization page. This page displays real-time process information about the system, such as the temperature, pressure and flow of the TCU, the PFU flow, and the mass flow. Before running the spray, it is essential to run a health check and review the calculated throat size and temperature. All boxes should be green in the status section before running the spray. Once the TCU has reached the desired temperature and pressure, the user can run the spray by pressing the blue Run button. So here you see our Kinetic Metallization system in action. We have loaded the wheel into the spray booth. You can see the nozzle pointed to the inside of the wheel hub. We first build up a coating in the corner. This provides a solid foundation for the rest of the coating. Then we continue to build up the coating vertically along the interior wall. On the top left is a live update of the process parameters throughout the spray. It allows the user to monitor the spray and get real-time feedback. And here's the final product. Looks pretty nice. After the spray is completed, the user can view the spray log page for a quality report by clicking View Latest Spray. The Kinetic Metallization Objective Quality Evidence Report provides the user with a summary of the spray setup and graphs of the spray parameters through the run. The user can also download a CSV file for further analysis.